So hello and good evening from the Eden Gardens. We are gearing up for the match between Kolkata Knight Riders and Gujarat Titans, and there were something pretty interesting things that happened today at KKR Nets. We'll break down each and everything one by one in this video. So since Abhishek Nair has joined the KKR support staff yesterday, there has been quite a lot of buzz around him and his involvement in the team. Why suddenly Abhishek Nair has been brought into the KKR setup once again? So he was seen taking some specific sessions along with all the KKR batters, the prime batters, be it Rinku Singh, Ramandeep Singh, Rahmanullah Gurbaz. Abhishek Nair had specific sessions with all these batters and the communication level between Abhishek Nair and these players were top notch. After every missed deliveries or after every mistimed shots, Abhishek Nair had some inputs to give to all these players. Rinku Singh unfortunately was stuck on his ribs while playing a shot from a throwdown specialist, after which he was seen leaving the nets and did not bat afterwards. And if you have a good camera, if you had zoomed into that picture, then there was a bit of a blue mark that was left after that blow to Rinku Singh's ribs. But it does not look a lot serious. So Rinku Singh is expected to play tomorrow in the game against Gujarat Titans. Same happened with Venkatesh Iyer while batting. He was stuck on his knee and was seen applying an ice pack. And even when he was walking, he was slightly limping. But again, like Rinku Singh, it is not a very serious injury. And Venkatesh Iyer and Rinku Singh both are expected to play against Gujarat Titans tomorrow. But what is concerning is the absence of Vaibhav Arora. While trying to stop a ball from his own bowling, Vaibhav was stuck on his right palm, his bowling palm, and was seen applying an ice pack yesterday, after which he did not bowl and he is not present here at the Eden Gardens by in KKR's training session. And it will be interesting if Vaibhav misses out, which which player will KKR look up to deliver those power play wickets, to deliver with the new ball, because Vaibhav has been picking wickets early on in the power play with the new ball. So Vaibhav Arora's absence is a concern and he is unlikely to feature against Gujarat Titans tomorrow. But when it comes to the batting department, that is where the real concern lies for Kolkata Knight Riders. Where will we see Rahmanullah Gurbaz in place of Quinton de Kock? Quinton de Kock arrived a bit late at today's practice session and was seen having a very casual chats with all the players. Sunil Narayan, Rohman Powell, Andre Russell was not here today. So Rohman Powell was a very massive presence at the KKR nets where he batted as well. Was seen having some football sessions along with all the players. So Rohman Powell, whether that's a change KKR is looking to make, we will get to know tomorrow. But yes, Rohman Powell, Andre Russell's form has been a bit of a concern. He has not been scoring runs with the ball. KKR have not utilized him. So Andre Russell's form will be on focus when KKR takes on Gujarat Titans at the Eden Gardens. Now let's go to the other departments. Sunil Narayan and Varun Chakravarti were the first players to arrive at the Eden Gardens. They arrived around 45 minutes, 1 hour earlier than the team arrived here to train. So Varun Chakravarti, Sunil Narayan. Interestingly, it is going to be the same pitch in which the match against Sunrisers Hyderabad was played. So the stride at the Eden Gardens is expected to be on the slower side. Yes, 200 runs were made, but that was due to the heroics of Venkatesh Iyer against Pat Cummins in that 18th or 19th over. That took KKR from that 180 mark to the 200 mark. So whether the same heroics will be needed tomorrow is something which we will get to see, because Gujarat Titans' bowling attack is something which has been mightily impressive. They are by far the best Indian core in terms of bowling. Prasidh Krishna is your purple cap holder right now. Siraj has been breathing fire with the new ball. Ishant Sharma has done its bit. They have a Kulwant Kejrodia as well, who can be used at any moment. And of course, you have a champion spinner in Rashid Khan, and R. Sai Kishore has been delivering with the ball. So Gujarat Titans' bowling attack looks compact and they have variety of options to choose for in terms of looking at the conditions and what the Eden Gardens pitch will have to offer. So yes, runs are there if you bat well, but of course the spinners will have a role to play in the game. From both GT and KKR, Varun Chakravarti, Sunil Narayan versus R. Sai Kishore and Rashid Khan. Whether Moeen Ali will get a nod, Vaibhav Arora, if he is unfit to play tomorrow, then Moeen Ali can be an option. Although he did not bowl a single over against Sunrisers Hyderabad, he was part of the playing 11 in that particular game. So Abhishek Nair's involvement, it is a litmus test. I think with the inclusion of Abhishek Nair, the litmus test, the acid test for Chandrakant Pandit will start from tomorrow onwards. If he fails to deliver in the coming matches, then who knows, you might see mid-season sacking coming your way, because Kolkata Knight Riders is one franchisee which every pundit, every expert, every former cricketer expected to be in that playoff zone. But so far they have had a disappointing start to the tournament. 7 matches, only 3 wins, and the way they have lost a few matches, that has been quite disappointing. For example, that game against Punjab Kings. For example, the game against Lucknow Super Giants. These are the two games which KKR should have won. But they failed to do so. So the acid test for Chandrakant Pandit begins tomorrow. Again, 2-3 matches on the trot. If KKR fail to deliver the results, then who knows? With the inclusion of Abhishek Nair, Chandrakant Pandit, it's going to be a challenging time for the KKR coach who led Kolkata Knight Rider to a title winning side last time around. So yeah, these were some of the major updates. Quinton de Kock, Rahmanullah Gurbaz is going to be a call that Kolkata Knight Riders team management will have to take. Ajinkya Rahane was not present here. Even Dwayne Bravo joined the team a bit later today. So these are some of the major updates. Ashwin Chaudhary was seen having lengthy net sessions with Abhishek Nair and other bowlers as well. They faced the likes of Sunil Narayan, Varun Chakravarti to get his groove back in that middle order, middle overs zone. So KKR spinners, Gujarat Titans spinners. These are the two main focus from tomorrow. And of course, without Vaibhav Arora, if he's unfit, then who will replace him in the playing 11 is something which we need to see tomorrow. So yeah, this was some few updates from Kolkata Knight Riders and net sessions. Gujarat Titans, of course, this is an optional session for them. So not a lot of players arrived at the next today. But yeah, they were seen having some good time. It has been a fantastic start for Gujarat Titans as a unit. Ashish Nehra, Shubman Gill, the entire team has been gelling really well, and that is what Vikram Solanki also said about the rise of Mohammad Siraj, about the leadership of Shubman Gill, the confidence which Ashish Nehra instills in the Gujarat Titans as bowlers. I think this Gujarat Titans team is a template for other teams to see how to utilize your resources to the best of their ability. So these were some of the updates from KKR Nets and Gujarat Titans' practice session here at the Eden Gardens on match day -1. What do you think about KKR team and Gujarat Titans team? Are you expecting any changes, or do you think KKR should make any change to their playing 11? Drop your comments down below and keep following the sport for more. Thank you so much.